It is the Saturday edition of the Data Roundtable. Welcome back. Did you miss me? I was gone for 2 days. I did have back-to-back client calls Thursday and Friday morning. So sorry, guys. Paying clients take priority. So that means I can't do my streaming, but that's okay. That just means that I'm back today. I'm ready. I'm hoping that you're ready too to talk about data. That is the whole point of the Data Roundtable. We get together to talk about whatever it is that you like. So let me know what's on your mind. Let me know what you're working on. What are you doing? What are you programming? What are you reading? What are you thinking? What's got you excited? What's got you less than excited? That's what we're here for. So let me know that you're out there. Let me know what you'd like to talk about. I'm here for anything related to data. I'm here to listen, to give advice when asked, to facilitate if other people want to give advice. I'm here for all of that. So how are you? Let me know. Let me know in the chat how you're doing. How's your weekend going? What did you do the last 2 days when you didn't have your good buddy Dennis streaming? You should have been working on something. I hope you were working on something. You know, and in a way, that's kind of the one of the benefits of this roundtable, right? If you don't have something to talk about at the roundtable, that should be concerning to you, right? You should be like, "Ooh, I need to get my act together," right? So if that's you, that's okay. But what are you going to do to change that? What are you going to do to have something that's advancing you in your data science career? And keep in mind, I say data science career, not just your study of data science. Because, data science is one of those things that really has no finish line, right? You're going to be studying something in data science for the rest of your life. Just like a doctor doesn't have a finish line, right? A doctor always keeps going. So kind of the same concept there, where what are you working on now? And what are you going to be working on a year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 20 years from now, right? So you got to get started, right? You're not going to become a great data scientist overnight. So what are you doing to get started just a little bit? Just a little bit? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. Let me know that you're out there. What's on your mind? What are you working on? Yesterday, I was doing some work again in Midjourney. I made a post about Midjourney. Midjourney, what are you doing to me? So Midjourney version 7 lets you come up with a personal style guide that you can kind of help guide the algorithm about what you like, which is fine. I think there is a lot of benefits to that, but I'm calling into question Midjourney's execution of that. They make you rate 200 sets of images before they can come up with your own personal style guide. 200? Really, Midjourney? Really? That's the best you could do? You could do better than that, Midjourney. I'm disappointed in you. Midjourney could be doing so much better, because think about it. The way it works is they show you two images side by side, and then you click on the one that's a little bit more visually appealing to you, or more your style, or more whatever. That means you're looking at 400 images, like, back and forth before they can make a personalized style guide for you. Seems excessive. Especially in the age of AI, when they could be doing something in the background with the images that you're creating, the items that you include in your prompts, the ones you're marking as good images versus bad images, the ones you're downloading. They could even be asking you to type it in. What do you like about this image? They could be using an LLM to help drive that style guide, right? Like, for example, I don't really like the overly digital, overly like futuristic backgrounds that a lot of these pictures, seem to have. I could write that. Midjourney could ask me that. That could be a quick entry, that I give to Midjourney. I don't need to see 400 images to tell that to Midjourney, right? So Midjourney, you missed. You missed. I appreciate the effort, but you missed. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. Feel free to hop over on Instagram. I'll see you again tomorrow. But until then, please take care of yourselves, take care of your families, and I will see you then.